Hello everyone. Today we'll do the subject EVS 1 of grade 5th and our chapter number 8 is Public Facilities and My School. What is the meaning of facilities? Facilities means easy or easier, means the work or the thing which we are doing, it is in a very easy manner. That thing is known as facilities. So let us discuss the points related to public facilities and my school. So our first point is use public services and facilities. We are all using public facilities also and public service also. So what is the meaning of services? Services means helping or doing work for someone. It is the meaning of service. So we are all using public facilities and public services. For example, water supply, electricity supply, health services, education and transport. These are basic and important services for every human being. And each and every human being are meant for these services, means each and every individual have right to follow or to participate in the public services and facilities. The organization which they provide this all services and facilities are a part of a system. Same like that, our school is also a part of that system. So we have various facilities in our school and also outside the school, like bus and railway are a transport for everyone. So our next point is other public services and facilities. What is meant by other public services and facilities? For example, postal service, theatre, telephone, fire brigade, police, banks, parks, garden and swimming pools. These are some other services and facilities for human beings, and we have to follow or we have to use these other services and facilities in a very responsible manner, because these facilities are for ourselves. So we have to take a responsible or we have to follow it in a very responsibly manner, so no one can damage or harm this kind of thing. Okay. Now our next point is school is our world. School is our world is a very true thing, because outside our house, school is our another world. Same as we like our house, we also like our school. And each and every school has their unique identity, means each and every school has their personal good things, so that students and parents are interact with each other and students and parents are attract with their school. That's why students are going to learn new things in school. School is for everyone, and each and every child has a right to go to school and to get information or learn or study new things from school. Now let us see this RTE Act. What is meant by RTE? RTE means Right to Education. According to government, they made RTE Act, that is Right to Education Act. According to Right to Education Act, each and every child has right to go to school and complete their at least primary education. The child from age 6 and 14, that child has to complete their primary education according to this act. For children with special needs, that kind of students, that kind of children, the upper age limit is 18 years. Instead of 14, they have 18 years of age to complete their education according to RTE Act. Point is role of the community in the development of the school. For developing any school, we need many other persons or many helping hands. Like if we want to set up a school, so we need many people or many institutions to set up a proper school. Like many parents, past students, writers, artists, sports person, scientists and industrialists, they lend their hands for the growth of a school, because a school is the assistance in the construction of classrooms, libraries, laboratories, procurement of sports equipment, means the place where we can get or we can start the sports, and the equipments, the materials which need for that particular sports. So these are some things which together make, and together they play an important role for set up a unique or a proper school. So it is very much important, that is role of the community, means the community is the main pillar to set up a school. So this is very much important role they play for improvement of the school or for growth of the school. The last point is Parents Teacher Association and Mata Palak Sangh. This is the very much important point of this topic, because each and every school have their PTA association meeting, because in that meeting whatever happening in the school we have to inform or we have to update to the parents, and this is a very beautiful interaction between teacher and parents related to the students. Whatever the students doing in the school, whatever the important information related to the school or related to the students, teacher can speak up with the parents in this PTA meeting association or parents teacher association, because this is the one thing which can link up with each other easily, and it is very good opportunity for both the teacher and parents, because the student is the main link of these two things. They joined with each other for the betterment of the student. So this role is very much important for our society, for our school also, because the parents is the one who help us, who participate in each and every activity whatever happens in the school. For example, if in a school there will be a sport, or there will be an exhibition, or there will be any competition, in that things parents actively participate with their students and for the teacher, for the betterment of the students. So this meeting or this points is very much important. It's a benefit, because both the things are interact very easily manner, and also school respect all the parents same or alike. Okay, so these are some points related to public facilities and my school. Each and every school has their unique or special identity. We have to use each and every public facilities very responsible manner, and also each and every student has right to complete their education or complete their primary education in a limited age.